morning grade 3 students. Welcome to our new video with new chapter. That is our today's poem number 8, Wind on the Hill. Let us see what the poets want to tell about this poem. So please open your My Studio book.
This is the PEP activity. John likes to play outdoor on a windy day. Write two things that you would like to do on a windy day. So I have written my opinion. You are going to write down in your own words. How do you like or things that you like to do on a windy day? Let us start the poem. No one can tell me, nobody knows where the wind comes from and where the wind goes. So the poet is telling nobody knows from where the wind comes and where does it goes. It's flying for somewhere as fast as it can. I could not keep up with it, not if I ran. So it's flying for somewhere. So the wind is flying from somewhere, okay, and it is fast and it could not keep up with it even if I run with it. But if I stop holding the string of my kite, it would blow with the wind for a day and a night. So what the poet is telling, if he stop holding the string of his kite, so the kite will blow with the wind for day and night. And then when I found it, wherever it blew, I should know that the wind had been going there too. So according to the kite, how the kite blows, okay, with the wind. So the poet is telling I can find out where it blew, and according to know that the wind had been going there too. So then I could tell them where the wind goes, but where the wind comes from, nobody knows. So the poet is saying I can tell where the wind goes, but nobody knows from where the wind is coming. So this is the poem Wind on the Hill. Then this is the question time, okay. So you are going to write down this question answers in your My Studio. The next, that is think beyond. The kite flies to wherever the wind blows it. If you could fly with the wind, where would you wish to fly to? So you can write your own answer over here. Then think and ink activity. Write two things that you can do with the help of wind. So according to this, you are going to complete your studio book. Then these are the fun with words. Okay, words starting with RE. So RE, that is redo, remind, refresh and recall. And the meanings are given of the words which are starting with RE. So I have made one word, that is replay, and I have written the meaning of.
Students, hope you all are clear with this poem. Related to this video, I am going to send you all worksheet. You are going to write down those question answers in your notebook and the meanings from My Studio.